So Vidhi, you send me the doubts. Okay, I want everybody to restore all the chapter number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to go that way. Tell me chapter 1 where you have doubt. Okay, Vidhi, you send me the doubt first. You send me the which chapter, which page number you have doubt in.
Page number 8.
8. Beta.
Question number 9.
Wait, beta.
9, 10. Means 11.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. 9, 10. ये तो कर दिया मैंने, क्लास में ही किया था.
नो, बोलो नहीं किया क्लास में।
No, sir.
काउंटिंग.
सर किया था।
चले, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. वॉट एवर हु हैज नॉट डन इट, आई विल रिपीट इट अगेन वन मोर टाइम. ठीक है. काउंटिंग फाइव्स वेयर दिस नंबर, बेटा यू हैव डाउट इन दिस. 9, 10, 11.
No, 11.
11. Counting the 50s, write the numerical in reverse order, right?
Yes.
What do you mean by reverse order? Descending order, right?
Yes.
Chalo, I'll give you some different number here, right? What do you mean by 50s? 50s is add 50 or subtract 50, right?
Yes.
When you go to reverse order, you do subtract 50 or add 50. I'll give you different number here, right? I don't give you, right? I say write 7 numbers starting from, say, 4020. Okay. In the reverse order, same 50s, right? So you got one number here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So when you 50 minus, what do you do? When you minus 50, what do you do?
I
purposely gave you some different number, right? So it is difficult for you to subtract, right? So
Yeah.
what do you do? You have to subtract from 4020 minus 50 you have to do, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do? First do 20 minus, you get 4000, then minus do 30. Correct? What do you get?
4,000 minus 33,970.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes? So you will have some difficulty in this. 3970. Now after this 50 is very easy. 70 minus 50 is very easy.
3920.
Very good. Now
3870.
very good. Excellent.
20 minus
Okay, next.
3820.
Very good.
Then 3770. Then 3720.
हो गया. खत्म. Right?
Yes.
Easy?
Yes.
Very good. ठीक है. चलो. What is next? And everybody keep it ready, yeah, for chapter number 1. If you have any doubt, I'm not going to repeat this again. If you have doubt, you tell me. What is the next, beta?
Question number 18.
18. 15, 16 arranging order, you know, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है. 16. 16 or 18? 18. Okay. हाँ, you have to add how, right?
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो. Let's see. Now what you need to do? Adding. So what you do? What you will add first? 9 plus 8. Suppose you don't have any pattern here, right? See,
Yes.
this is very important. I'll tell you. Okay, Adya,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me how will you add it?
First I will do 8 plus 9, which is 17. Then I will do
No, how will
17.
you do? 1 minute. 9 plus 8, how will you do it?
First I will break 8.
Correct.
9 plus 1 is 10.
Correct.
And 10 plus 7 is 17.
Correct. So you do this. You got it? Adya, Vidhi, how are you doing, beta?
Yes.
8 you split. Make a friend of 10 here. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17, right?
Yes.
Now 17 plus 5, again 17. You do break. This will be 20 plus 2, 22. Clear?
Yes.
Understood? So you
Yeah.
can easily split the numbers to make sure that it is friend of something, 10 or 20, correct? ठीक है? Yes, बेटा? Who came now? अभी कौन आ गया? Recently? मिश्का, आद्या, ऋषिद, विधि, विहान, विमान, अद्विका. अद्विका क्यों लेट आई बेटा?
सर द इंटरनेट का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, सेटिंग चेंज हो गया था।
ओके ठीक है, लेकिन मैं मैसेज करेगा ना बेटा, ठीक है। विहान, आई डोंट नो, विहान इज ऑल्सो एब्सेंट, ठीक है, विहान आई एम पुटिंग इट एब्सेंट, एंड अद्वै अभी एब्सेंट है, विल सी लास्ट के बाद। चलो नेक्स्ट। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव कैरी 2, राइट, 22, राइट? So now, do you have any pattern here, Vidhi?
Yeah.
Do you can see the pattern? Anything? Any pattern here?
No.
कोई भी पैटर्न दिख रहा है तेरे को?
No.
2 4 7 6, कोई भी पैटर्न दिख रहा है?
Yeah. Yeah. 6 plus 4.
वेरी गुड, तो 10 हो गया, उसको हटा दे। व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? 2 plus 7,
7.
राइट?
Yeah.
What is 2 plus 7 will be?
2 plus 7, 9.
So 9 plus 10, 19.
19.
One carry over. Now can you see the pattern here? नहीं है, right?
No.
But can I show you the pattern?
Okay.
See, it is 4 plus 3 plus 1. What is that?
8.
8 plus 8?
16.
Very good. 8 to the 16. Correct?
Yeah.
Now this is simple. 6
Yeah.
plus 1 plus 1, 9. Easy है?
Yes.
Want to try this? चलो, I'll show you some other pattern. चलो. Anybody can see the first pattern यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
What is the pattern?
5, 6, 7.
Very good. So how will you do it? 5 6 7, how will you do it? If it is a sequence number, how will you do it?
5 plus 6 plus 7.
हाँ, तो कैसे करोगे? Quickly.
5 plus 5, 10 plus 1.
Nine. Take the center number 6 and multiply by 3. You get the answer. 6 is the 6 is the
18.
what?
18.
18. Next, similar to this, 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8. 8 to the 16.
16.
One carry over. Can you see any pattern here?
Yes. 1 plus 8 plus 9. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9.
1 plus 8 की 9 plus 1 10 करो ना बेटा.
हाँ.
10 plus 8, 18. Next here, this is 4 plus 4, 8 again. Correct? Easy it is?
Yes.
Very good. Next one, who wants to try? Rishit, tell me. 5 plus 9 plus 4, what will you do?
First we'll do 5 plus 4, that is 9. And then we'll do 9 to the 18.
सही जवाब, वेरी नाइस बेटा. 1 carry over, right? अब यहाँ पे 6 7 8 पैटर्न है?
6, 7, 8, yes.
Yes. What is the pattern? How will you do it?
First we'll add 1 to 6. So it will
नहीं, अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, 6 7 8 है ना, 1 तो बाद में आता है. 6 7 8 में क्या होता है? It's a sequence number, right?
Yes.
What is the middle number?
7.
7 3 is
21.
plus 1.
22.
Very good. Simple.
Yes.
Any pattern here?
2, 3.
है?
There's no pattern over here.
Pattern है ना? There's something is there, right?
How?
Check करो. Pattern or something you can do, right?
Yes.
What you can do? If you want to add 2, 3 and 8, how will you add?
First we'll do 3 plus 2
नहीं, no,
or 4 plus 3.
no. 4 कहाँ से आ गया?
We'll break down 8.
नहीं, क्यों? Why you want to do 4 plus 3? अरे 8 and 2 10 हो रहा है ना?
Yes.
Friend of 10 दिख रहा है ना?
Yes.
So friend of 10 is the first pattern, right? If you
Yes.
see this, that is the easiest one, right? So 10 plus 3,
13.
simple है. Why you want to complicate unnecessary, right? 8 plus 1, 9.
Sir, but when I would do 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 4, 18.
नहीं, क्यों करना है बेटा? 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 है कहाँ पर? There is no 9 plus 5. अच्छा, first one. But see, this is when you see the number pattern. Now here, if we see this, चलो यहाँ पे ये कैसे करोगे? How will you do? Okay, who wants to do? Vivan?
Okay, sir.
How will you do? 5 plus 4, 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus this. How will you do it?
First we'll do 5 plus 4.
9, right? And then you have
9.
8 and 8, right?
Yes.
So 8 plus 8 plus 9, right? So what do you do? 8 3 the 24. But here you have one more, right?
Yes.
So what do you do? 24 plus 1, 25. Clear?
Yes.
So you can easily do it.
Sir, can we do 5 plus 4, 9 and 8 to the 16 plus 9?
कर सकते हो फिर 9 plus 10 करो 16 plus 10 करो -1 करो right
Yes.
16 plus 10 26 -1 25 that also you can do it
Okay.
now
Sir,
here you have a pattern chalo here you have a pattern
no.
yes you have
Yes, 7 plus 2, 9.
9
Sir, I think
easier than that you have
18.
right 7 9 to the
18.
7 to the
7 to the 14.
so 18 and upper you have 2 right
Yes.
18 plus 2
18 plus 2, 20.
20 plus 14
20 plus 14, 34.
correct understood.
Yes.
This is easier. Instead of doing 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus, it takes a lot of time, right? Vidhi,
Sir,
are you getting it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you have a pattern, Vidhi, here?
Yeah.
What is the pattern?
9 plus 1.
9 plus 1, 10. Then,
7 plus 3, it will be 10.
10. Beta, friend of 10, है ना? ये तो याद रहना चाहिए, right? This you should remember. 7, 3, 2, 8, 1, 9. Okay? All this you should remember very easily, right? So,
Yes.
10, 10, 20.
20.
2 carry over. Now, this is easy, right? Clear? ठीक है? Clear?
Sir,
Yes, beta.
we can, in the D question, the first row, we can do one more
Sorry?
pattern. In the D1, first row, we can do one more pattern.
Which pattern, beta?
Like 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 5.
सही जवाब वेरी नाइस 8 plus 8 6 8 to the 16 plus 4 20 plus 5 Vidhi now you're getting it beta
Yes.
one question you can do with the multiple ways right
Yeah.
right so you should what is objective you should do fast right now you got a trick always try to find a something which is common right suppose you want to add 9 plus 7 so what do you do this is -1 you'll get 8 this is +1 get 8 so -1 यहाँ से एक लेके यहाँ डाल दो 8 to the 16 clear understood beta
Yes, sir.
so there are many patterns are there so you can use it very easily right ठीक है so when you practice it you'll get the very good idea ठीक है चलो next this is done okay next what is the next one
28.
28 okay addition and subtraction right so you have to do in a two method right what do you need to do you have to do in two slots I am writing it here just check right yes किसका डाउट है कौन कर रहा है किसको करना है क्या कर रहे हो खाली हाथ ऊपर करके नहीं करेगा कैन आई डू इट ऐसे बोलना पड़ेगा 3 9 7 8 plus 4
I'll say let's
8
do
9 6 correct yes who wants to do it
Vivan.
विवान ठीक है चलो बोलो बेटा
Vivan wants to do it.
राइट बोलो क्या होएगा पहले
8. First we'll do 8 plus 8 which is 16 and then
हाँ
we'll minus
8
2.
plus 2 मैंने क्या 8 plus 6 क्या बोला था बीच में नंबर
14.
क्या आता है 7 आता है 7 to the 14
7 to the 14.
or you can do it 8 plus 2 plus 4 right 6 you can split right
Sir.
Yeah. Sir.
yes
Sir.
हाँ
Adva speaking.
हाँ बोल बेटा
I got late because like my
हाँ
whole
वो मैसेज किया मम्मी ने मैसेज किया बेटा कुछ इंटरनेट का इशू था राइट एक्सेस का
हाँ
ठीक है चलो Now here, Ivan,
Okay, sir. 8 plus. First we do 7 plus 1.
नहीं 7+1 कर 9+1 करना बेटा. 7+1 क्यों करना है बेटा? 9+1 करो ना.
Okay.
9+1 10 होएगा, राइट?
Yes.
तो 10 + 7 17. वो ज्यादा इजी है, राइट?
Yes.
करेक्ट ना? फिर यहाँ पे वापस
Yes.
1 आ जाएगा,
10 plus 8. मतलब 10
राइट?
10
10 + 8
plus
करेक्ट है,
9.
करेक्ट है, करेक्ट है, करेक्ट है. आपका
18.
जवाब सही है, 18, राइट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 18, 8, एंड देन 1 कैरी ओवर, राइट?
Yes. 8. Again. Again 8.
करेक्ट. इजी है एवरीबॉडी.
Yes.
अब
Yes.
ये हाफ क्वेश्चन है. क्या हुआ? दिस इज स्टिल
Half
हाफ
question.
क्वेश्चन, राइट? अभी हमने इसको पूरा सॉल्व नहीं किया है, राइट?
So can I do the next part?
हूँ बेटा.
Nishika.
यस, यू कैन डू इट बेटा.
Sir,
अब यहाँ पे 2.
can I do?
अरे एक एक करके मेरे को एक एक सॉल्व करना है बेटा. बाकी में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आएंगे, राइट? एवरीबडी विल गेट टाइम, डोंट वरी.
So can I do?
दिस इज नाउ, वेट. नाउ व्हाट डू हियर?
I do it.
हेलो,
So can Adya do? Adya do.
बताओ. ठीक है. नाउ ये आई वांट टू डू मेंटली. चलो यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ x x x x, राइट? चलो आई वांट टू डू मेंटली. कैसे करोगे?
We can't do 4.
करेक्ट. तो क्या करोगे? नाउ लिसन वेरी गुड. आई एम टीचिंग यू हाउ टू डू मेंटली, राइट?
So we will do. We will cut 4 and write 14.
अरे वो छोड़ दो. 4 का 14 हो गया, राइट?
हाँ.
वो छोड़ दो. 14 - 7 7 7 to the
7.
14, राइट? अब बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन हियर, तो इट विल बिकम 6. क्या हो गया? 7 की जगह 6. 6 - 8 यू कैन डू. तो 16 - 8 करना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
तो
It will be 8.
16 - 8 8 to the 16, राइट? इधर देखो 7 to the 14. यहाँ पे वापस एक 7 हो गया.
Yes.
7 - 9. तो क्या करोगे पहले? 17 - 9 करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
8.
8. सो कैसे करोगे? 7 - 17 - 10 करो और +1 करो, राइट? अब यहाँ पे
Yes.
7 -
2. 5.
करेक्ट. ओरली हो रहा है?
हाँ.
क्लियर है? अच्छा है?
हाँ.
इजी है?
So can I do this question?
बेटा वेट अ मिनट, वेट. फर्स्ट लेट मी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन बेटा. वेट. ओके, या टेल मी बेटा, किसका क्वेश्चन है? हाँ ऋषित, बोल क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा?
Sir, I don't have. I want to do one, sir.
नहीं, तेरे को डाउट क्या था? कैन वी डू दिस वे? क्या पूछ रहा था तू?
I wanted to do.
हाँ, तो तुम्हारे बुक में लिखो ना बेटा. राइट इन अ बुक, विच इज ओके, राइट?
Sir, but in this one, have we do 6?
चलो नेक्स्ट. 6 9. Now I am not taking any carry over borrowing. I am doing all mentally, correct? So you should know how to do it. 4 9 2 9. Mishka,
Yes, sir.
chalo, do. I am just writing x x x x, right? Chalo. What is the number? 8 - 9 can you do?
No.
No. So what you do? You cannot carry, but you can take it 18, right? 18 - 9, again 9, right?
Yes.
Now here, because you don't have a borrow, you have to borrow it from 9, right? So 1 you borrowed from 9, so it become 10. 1 you gave it to 18, so it become 9, right? 9 minus 2 is 7, correct?
Yes.
Now again you have 8. 8 you cannot subtract, right? 8 minus 9 you can do. So you take it down from 6. It will become 18 minus 9 will be 9 to the 18, right?
Yeah.
And here 5 minus 1, 4. Clear hai?
So I got late because I had
Sorry?
some problem. Yes, sir.
Who got late, beta?
Russia.
Russia, हाँ ठीक है. चलो, this is very easy to add now, right? This is very easy.
Can I do it?
हाँ करो. I'm just writing say x x x x, right? चलो.
Can Advai do it?
एक मिनट रशिया, एक मिनट. I'll give everybody, but don't worry. Advai present late. Russia present late. Okay. So Vanya is not coming today. Vihan is not coming. Did not come. Vivan is not coming. ठीक है, चलो. Next. चलो. Tell me what you'll do.
I try that.
Yes, करो जल्दी.
9 plus
Sure, sir. Sure.
9 plus 3 is 12.
Hmm.
1 on top of 7.
That is
Five
okay.
plus
So
two.
one carry just बोलोगे काफी हो जाएगा, right? Just say one carry. That's it.
1 carry.
Hmm.
7 will become 8 plus 2, 10.
Hmm.
1 carry. 9 will become 10 plus 6, 16.
Very good.
1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2.
Very good. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
You can do rest of them.
Sir, can I ask?
Who?
Sir, Vidhi's mom.
हाँ, tell me, ma'am.
सर इसमें पहले एडिशन नहीं करेंगे, पहले सब्ट्रैक्शन ही करेंगे.
चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Subtraction, addition are from the same family. Okay, now if you do this, I got your point. What you're saying, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you. If you do this first, it is going to be wrong. Now why? Correct? Suppose if I say 8 minus 4 plus 3. Okay, Vidhi, what will you do, beta?
First, I will do 8 minus 4, so it will be 4.
Chalo, if you want to add first, what do you add? Chalo, I'm saying add first.
I will add 4 and 3.
Very good. So what do you get?
7.
Very good. 8 minus 7, what do you get?
1.
Very good. Okay. Now check this. 8 minus 4, you do what?
4.
4. 4 plus 3?
7.
Both are different answer, right?
Yes.
Why? Now I'm going to teach you integers. That time I'll teach you how, right? Now all the plus numbers. What is this? This is a positive number or negative number? 690, it is a positive or negative number?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive, because there is no sign in front of it, right? And this is again positive. And what is this?
Negative.
Negative.
Very good. So this you have to subtract and this both you have to add, right? So whenever you have positive number, you have to add first, which is correct. But when you say 8 minus 4 plus 3, what you need to add is, you need to add 8 and 3, not the 4. Clear, beta? Because
Yes.
here you have 4 is a negative number and 3 is a positive number. So when you do this, it will be wrong. Clear, beta?
सर
हाँ?
तो इन लोगों को सॉल्व करते टाइम पहले एडिशन वाले करने हैं, फिर बाद में सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है,
See, ideally for them,
Same, sir.
या
Sir,
फिर
sir.
सीक्वेंस में ही करना है?
see, when you have, listen. Wait. Now listen very carefully. Who is asking this question?
सर विधीज मॉम.
Very good. Okay. Now, listen very carefully. Addition and subtraction. I send you one document, right? Generation document which I sent you. मैंने generation document भेजा है?
सर which one?
Generation document. Okay, let me open it here. Let me see whether I have sent you or not. I am sending you. If I have not sent, or if I send also, I'll send it again. Okay, I'm just opening it here. Just see. See, what is important is you should learn the concept. A student should learn the concept first. How
So
the
we
concept.
also don't have that kind of file of PDF.
I'll send you, beta. ठीक है? Don't worry. Let me share you the screen. It has a lot of concept, but I'll send you this PDF right now. Can you see this PDF?
Yes, sir.
It has all the prime numbers and everything, right? So eventually I'll be taking this. But can you see here? The first draft, which is a grandparents, right? Which is this family. This is first generation family. First generation, right? Addition, subtraction. Now this generation is addition, subtraction are the same generation, right? Which your grandparents. So for all the rules are same for addition and subtraction. What rule is applied for addition? The same rule applies for subtraction also. So if you take any number, when you do in a sequence left to right or right to left, whenever, whatever way you go, whether it is only addition, subtraction, it will not make any difference. Now I'll tell you how to use also. Then also I'll explain how to do it. I'll give you multiple numbers, single digit number, but at least you will understand what exactly you need to do, right? Similarly, multiplication division also same generation. If you have multiplication division, okay, if you multiply all numbers first and then divide all numbers, or you divide and then you multiply, doesn't matter. Clear? Unless and until there's a bracket given, right? If there's a bracket, then you will have a different one, right? So I'll send you this document for everyone, right? Just see. I'm sending this document. Just read this document. Even if you don't understand, I am okay with it, right? You just go through it because it has a lot of factors, multiple section, multiple prime number, composite number, co-prime number, twin prime number, everything it is there, right? So just to go through this, I just want to show you this particular, or if you want, I can send you this only, right? I'll send you this document on your group, right?
Sir, can you send it on Google Classroom?
Okay. I'll put it on a Google Classroom. Okay. And this is very important document. It will be useful for you grade 5, grade 6, grade 7 also.
For all the grades?
This will be useful, but this is a base concept. You should be very, very good with this.
Okay.
Right? Generation document.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
after you're done sending the sheet, can I ask you a question
Yes,
regarding to the negative and positive?
yes. I'll explain you. I'll explain. Don't worry. I'll explain this because I have to explain for this. Correct. Chalo, I sent you this generation document. It is there on the classroom. If you want, you can. Okay, I'm just writing this on the group also. Concept paper of generation document PDF is sent on classroom. Download this.
No. Nothing, I'm not hungry. I'm very full.
Chalo, I sent this. Vihan having a fever. We are getting invalid ID. Advai. अभी ठीक आ गया अद्वै?
हाँ
अद्वै तो आ गया. विहान
मेरा पूरा रिबूट ही हो गया सिस्टम
नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा, अपने भी नहीं आ रहे. ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं.
मेरे वजह से
नो प्रॉब्लम डार्लिंग, इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. होता है, मशीन है यार. आदमी बीमार होता है, मशीन भी बीमार होता है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. ठीक है. नाउ सी आई विल टेल यू दिस सिंस यू आस्क मी. ओके Mishka, once I explain you, then you do it, right? Now you say, I'll explain you with the number line, right? I'll do number line, right? And number line, I'll give you number 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? And this will go on, right? Suppose if I say 8 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5 minus 7 minus 2 minus 1 plus 8. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So let's go from left to right, right?
Okay.
Let's go from left to right. Okay, so when you're starting, what is your starting number? This is your first station, right? What is your first station? You are boarding from here, right? So what are you doing? You are here, right?
Yes.
Then you do what? -3. -3 which side you go? -3 matlab which side you have to go?
I don't understand.
Hello?
Sir, I don't understand.
When you say -3, which side on the number line, which side you go? When you subtract, which side you have to go? Left side, right? So it is 1, 2, and 3. Where you reach? 5, right? Then you do +4. +4, which side you have to go?
Right.
Right. So you get 1, 2, 3, and 4. Where are you come?
9.
9. Okay. Now what you need to do?
-5. Left.
-5. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where you came?
4.
4. Then what do you have?
-7 again.
-7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where did you come?
-3.
Very good. Now you have what?
-2.
So 1, 2. Where you came?
5.
-5, not 5. Then you have what? -1.
6. -6.
Correct? Now what is the number?
+8.
+8. So which side you have to go?
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Eight.
What answer? This is your answer is equal to 2. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So every time it is possible to do number line or bigger
No.
number. For this thing, you will do number line 6,900. This thing. Will you do a
No.
number line?
You.
So what you do? Okay. What are positive numbers? Positive
The
numbers are
numbers which have plus
boys. And negative numbers are
girls.
girls. Correct?
So,
Yes or no?
yes,
So
sir.
what do you do? Separate boys and girls, right? How do you identify? Just check the sign before it. If it is positive, it is boy. If it is negative, it is girls, right? So first, let the separate. 8 is a boy or a girl?
Girl.
Eh?
Boy.
बेटा
Boy.
पहले देखना है before 8. This is a girl. Leave it. इसको अभी छोड़ दो. +4 boy है.
हाँ.
फिर इसको छोड़ दो. इसको छोड़ दो. इसको छोड़ दो. इसको छोड़ दो. फिर क्या है?
8. Boy.
Correct? Now take the girls. जितना क्रॉस किया उसको ले लो. -3, -5, -7, -2, -1. Correct? Now these are
Yes.
girls.
Yes.
These are boys.
Yes.
Count the boys. How many boys are there? 8 + 8,
20.
16,
16.
20 boys.
20.
Okay. And how many girls? How will you count? All are minus, so it is minus girls. How will you count? 3
-3.
and 7, 10. Correct?
Yes.
And 10 + 5, 15. 15, 2, 17, and 18. 18 girls. So minus हो गया. Answer क्या आ गया?
2.
Easy है?
Yes.
Correct. This will avoid your first addition, subtraction, what you need to do, right? When you get an integer number, which I will teach you, right?
Sir, may I ask one last question?
Yes, tell me, beta.
Thank you for explaining me. You can use the number line while using this, but I also have another question.
What?
Before you said that you have to add positive with positive and then you minus it with negative, right?
Yes. Yes, tell
Why
me.
can't you add positive with negative?
How can you add, beta? How can you add? Suppose, okay, you have 10 mangoes, right?
Yes.
So you ate 2 mangoes out of it, right?
Yes.
So how many mangoes you will have? You have 10 mangoes, right?
Yes.
Out of 10 mangoes, you ate 2 mangoes.
8.
So how many you have?
8.
8 means you subtracted, right? So if you add 10 minus 2, you should get 8, right? But if you add 10 plus 2, you'll get 12. You eat 2 mangoes and you get 12 mangoes again. Is this possible?
I understood.
Correct? So subtraction is one area, right? Suppose you say you go for a shopping, you buy 10 rupees pen, so you spend, right? So whenever spending, you do minus, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then you took 20 rupees book. Then you took 35 rupees notebook or textbook. Okay. And then you take 15 rupees another pen, 5 rupees eraser, 5 rupees sharpener. So how much did you spend? You're spending, right? So you have to add or subtract?
Subtract.
You have to add. Because all are spending, right? All are single, right? So all are girls. So 10 and 20, 30, 65, 65 and 70, 75, 80, 80, 90, right? So you spend 90 rupees. How many rupees you spend?
90.
Because it is all negative, we are spending. See, what is negative number? Can anybody tell me what is negative number?
Sir,
Minus.
sir, I don't actually. I was not there. Sir,
Sorry?
sir, as I was not there, and I was a little late. What are negative numbers and positive numbers?
But I have not taught you negative numbers.
Sir, you taught us last year.
I have not taught the negative number yet.
I have taught last year. But I don't use what are positive numbers.
Huh?
Yeah, because I wasn't there, I was late.
But I have not taught only positive negative numbers.
Huh?
हाँ,
Sir, you taught in second grade, third
one minute,
grade.
one minute. अरे तो बहुत पहले कराया था, right?
Sir,
ठीक है.
it is taught. This was the latest chapter taught in our school.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, remember?
1 minute. Even if you don't know, don't worry. If you don't know, okay, tell me what is positive number and what is negative number. It's a counting number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? You can count 1 mango, 2 mango, 3 mango, 4 mango. You can count, right?
Yeah.
You can count 1 apple, 2 apple, 5 apple, 7 apple, 10 apple. You can count?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So all these are counting number is positive number, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you count negative number?
No.
You
No.
can't negative number, right? So what is negative number?
Negative number.
Negative numbers are numbers under below 0.
Below 0. But what does it mean? I understand it's below 0. But what does it mean?
Sir, it is that it has minus for it.
Huh?
It has a minus sign before it.
1 minute.
Sir, can I tell?
1 minute. Who
Sir,
wants
minus numbers.
Okay, one by one. I'll 1 minute.
Subtraction.
See, everybody will shout, nobody will understand, right? Everybody starts speaking, nobody will understand. So let's do one by one. Okay. Let's have a system. We are educated people, right? So we should have manners. Correct? Chalo, very good. Yes, Advika, tell me.
Huh?
Tell me, Advika.
You're asking positive numbers or negative numbers?
What the negative number means? What you say, what is the negative number?
Negative numbers are numbers that are smaller than positive numbers, and they are below
वो
0.
बता दिया वो मिश्का ने ऑलरेडी बता दिया less than 0.
Now can I try?
Yes, wait. Rishit, tell me. I am going in order. Those who want to answer, they raise your hand. Rishit, tell me.
Negative numbers are numbers that have subtraction sign.
ये तो बड़ा ऐसे थोड़ी चलेगा. So you are a monkey or a donkey. दोनों का पूछ होता है, right? See, you can't say ना. You are a horse or elephant. You are lion or tiger. You
Sir,
can't say
can
that,
I
right?
say?
It is how you represent it, right? But what is mean? Yes? Yeah, Adya?
Sir, can I? Negative numbers are the numbers which are on the left side of 0.
वो तो बता दिया ना उससे less than 0 वही बताया उससे, right?
Left side.
हाँ, left side
Sir,
वही उससे
sir,
बताया.
sir,
Less than
sir,
0,
sir,
left
sir.
side of 0 वो सब आ गया. Number line
Sir,
समझ. For thousands
sir,
of
sir,
are you
sir,
ready? Hello. For thousands of number you cannot draw a number line, right? Yes, Mishka.
I remember one
Mishka,
thing.
Sir,
why your mic is off?
Sir, I
Why your
remember
mic is off?
something.
sir,
Yeah,
Sir,
one
I
minute,
remember
one minute.
something.
रुको. Wait, थांबा. Hello, yeah, Mishka, tell me.
ठीक है मैं थामता हूँ.
थांबा. Yeah, Mishka, tell me.
Negative numbers are numbers
Which shows negative sign. वो आ गया. What
No.
exactly it means? Okay. Yes,
Negative-
Advika. Yeah, Advika, tell me fast.
Sir, negative numbers are like the negative numbers as they become bigger, their value is smaller.
अरे ये तो सब उसकी हिसाब किताब है. वो नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Right? I don't want that.
Sir,
Yeah, Advai. But
negative
very good.
numbers-
I am happy that everybody is
we
applying their
have-
mind. I am happy that everybody thinking something or the other. Very nice.
Negative numbers are the numbers below zero and that are not positive.
Very nice.
They
बेटा,
go
किसी
all
तूने-
the way below
तूने कौन सी
zero.
नई स्टोरी बता दी?
हाँ?
कौन सी नई स्टोरी बता दी तूने? विधि, yeah, tell me. We know all negative numbers are less than zero. It is on the left side of the zero on the number line. It is less than zero. It is not positive. Everything is known. Anything else? What negative number represent? What I want is what negative number represents.
Sir, can Vivan say?
अरे रुकना मेरी जान, सबका नंबर आ रहा है, हाथ ऊपर करो, सबको लाइन में ले रहा हूं मैं. Keep your hands up. Yeah, Vidhi, tell me. नहीं आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. I can't hear you.
Negative numbers are numbers.
वापस गया भाई,
Negative numbers
वापस गया,
are
वापस
numbers which are like minus.
विचार माइनस. वो तो बोल दिया उसने ना, विचार माइनस वी नो.
Sir, I know.
वेट, अभी सबका टाइम हो गया. ओके, विवान ने नहीं बोला है. विवान बोल बेटा. I given everybody chance. Now no repeat chance. Everybody-
Sir,
Yeah.
negative numbers are the numbers which have minus sign on the left side.
बेटा वो तो सारी चीजें वही बोला. क्या वही चीज रिपीट करते हो? मतलब you are not paying
Sir,
attention.
sir,
Everybody
sir,
is
sir,
paying attention.
Friend,
Wait.
one more
What my
chance.
question is, listen. What my question is, what negative number represents?
Sir, I know
Sir,
exactly.
please let me try.
Wait. Okay, one last time. Okay, Mishka,
Sir,
after that you will not get chance. Last time. Tell me.
Sir, the negative numbers represent a value of
Sir,
Out. Advika, last time.
Sir, they can sometimes represent the depth, how deep under the sea it is, and then
Sometime
they
nahi.
represent.
Every time.
हाँ,
I don't know
sir,
sometime क्या है.
Okay, sir. Every time they are also noticed in the malls. Sometimes minus base.
Very near. You are very near. Chalo, I am giving you a hint. Ruchit, tell me.
Sir, negative numbers represent subtraction.
नहीं, चलो out. चलो, सबका हो गया, राइट?
नहीं मेरा नहीं हुआ.
किसका नहीं हुआ? अद्वै तो हाथ ऊपर करने का ना सिस्टम में. हैंड रेज है, राइट? हैंड
अच्छा
रेज का ऑप्शन है ना. हैंड रेज करो.
हाँ.
बोल.
Negative numbers represent the numbers that are below the actual numbers.
बेटा कौन सा नंबर तूने अलग बोल दिया? तूने भी वही बोला. आद्या, last try. After that nobody will get a chance.
Sir, negative numbers are the numbers which are used to measure the depth of the sea and temperature.
खाली टेम्परेचर डेप्थ और किसी में नहीं यूज होता नेगेटिव नंबर.
Except
होता है ना बहुत जगह. अब अपन कहाँ पे नेगेटिव नंबर हम यूज करें? हम कहाँ डेप्थ ऑफ द सी देख रहे हैं?
they are used in maths.
हमने कहा टेम्परेचर यूज करें. तो मैथ तो सभी है ना. ओके, चलो. देयर इज समथिंग, व्हाट इज, सपोज देयर इज 100 रुपी ट्रांजेक्शन. ट्रांजेक्शन समझ में आता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन ट्रांजेक्शन? ट्रांजेक्शन इज व्हाट? Suppose you
Transporting
buy,
time.
wait. You buy a pen, right? So what do you do? Okay, Ajay, there is somebody, Ajay and Vijay, right? One is a shopkeeper, one is a customer, right? Ajay and Vijay, there are two people, correct? Okay. One is buying a pen and one is paying the money, right? So who will buy the pen? Customer will buy a pen, right? Customer will buy a pen, na?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. and customer will only pay the money and shopkeeper will take the money and give the pen, right? Yes or no? Yes? Correct?
Yeah.
So now for customer, what is happening? उसका पैसा बढ़ रहा है, कम हो रहा है?
कम हो रहा है.
हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है.
So how do
Spending
you
money.
represent this? Pen cost
Spending.
is 20 rupees, right?
Yes.
So what is
Sir is
happening?
spending money.
You are spending money. So spending money is what? I gave you one example, right? 20 rupees pen, 10 rupees pen, 20 rupees book, 35 rupees notebook, right? I gave you example, right? All
Sir,
negative, right?
loss-
Because I'm
loss-
spending.
Yeah.
लॉस नहीं है. लॉस क्यों है? बुक तो ले रही है तू, फ्री में थोड़ी दे रही है. आद्या, तू देसाई है, ऐसे फ्री में थोड़ी देगी कुछ, है? अपन देसाई लोग कोई फ्री में नहीं देते कुछ भी, नहीं फ्री में लेते हैं. We don't buy, we don't get anything free, we don't give anything for free, right?
Yes.
Correct, because free does not have any value. Correct? So,
Yes.
what is that? When you know, how do you know? Negative sign represents the direction. Correct? Suppose मैं बोलूं ट्रांजेक्शन हुआ, आद्या और हिरेन ने 100 रुपया एक्सचेंज किया, राइट? एक्सचेंज किया मतलब एक ने एक को दिया, राइट? विल यू अंडरस्टैंड किसने किसको दिया?
No.
अच्छा, अजय विजय. अभी तो तुम बोलोगे सर
No.
बड़े हो, आप ही देखो आद्या को, राइट? ये तो पॉसिबल है, राइट? सर आप बड़े हो तो आद्या को तो आप दोगे चॉकलेट देने के लिए, करेक्ट है? ठीक है. अजय विजय, आपको मालूम ही नहीं अजय विजय कौन है, करेक्ट? अजय विजय दो पर्सन है, ठीक है बेटा? वेट बेटा, मिश्का, वेट, डोंट राइट, लिसन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, डोंट waste your time energy on typing, right? Listen what I'm saying. You already given 3 times answers, right? Now listen very carefully what I'm telling you. Clear? Yes, Mishka. If you keep on typing something, you will not listen what I'm saying. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So focus here what I'm saying. Now when I say Ajay Vijay has done some transaction of 100 rupee, right? Will you know okay, who has given whom 100 rupees? Will you know? Yes or no? नहीं, right? Suppose Vivan Rishit has done 100 rupee transaction. किसको समझ में आएगा कि विवान ने 100 rupees दिया या विवान ने 100 rupees लिया? नहीं समझ में आएगा, right? But when I say Vivan is plus 100 and Rishit is minus 100, will you know who has given money or who has given money?
Yes.
क्या होगा? Vivan is plus 100, Rishit is minus 100. क्या होएगा?
Yes.
Who gave money to whom?
Rishit gave to Vivan.
Yes, Rishit gave to Vivan because Rishit के पास पैसा कम हो गया. He gave to Vivan, Vivan के पास पैसा ज्यादा हो गया, right?
Yes.
Correct. तो negative number, what it says, it shows the direction. क्या दिखाता है?
Direction.
Correct. जैसे टेम्परेचर ऊपर गया तो प्लस करते हो, टेम्परेचर नीचे गया तो माइनस करते हो, करेक्ट? माइनस विल शो द डायरेक्शन के विच साइड इट इज गोइंग, राइट?
Yes.
समझा? सपोज यू आर गोइंग ऑन, यू आर ऑन 11th फ्लोर. अगर 8th फ्लोर पे आना है तो क्या करोगे? ऊपर जाओगे,
Minus.
डायरेक्शन अपने नीचे
Minus
जाना है,
3
राइट?
floors.
करेक्ट. वी वांट टू गो डाउन, सो हम डाउन जाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? विल से सब्ट्रैक्ट, करेक्ट? हाउ मेनी फ्लोर्स यू वांट टू गो डाउन? सपोज इफ आई से you are on 11th floor, you want to get on 8th floor, how many floors you will travel?
3.
गलत जवाब.
Huh?
You travel -3 floors. You're coming down. Correct. Correct. You're coming down. 3 फ्लोर ट्रैवल करो 14 में चली जाएगी. Correct. If you travel 3 floors plus 3, you will go on 14th floor, right? You will travel down. So down. See, you are traveling 3 floors, perfect. लेकिन which direction you are traveling? So plus will show up direction, the minus will show down direction. Clear है? So if it's the right or left, right will show positive, left will show negative. Clear है?
Oh, yes.
So what is negative represents? Spending, going out, something, or traveling on the left side, down side, whatever, right? It shows the direction, right? So which is going, which gives you, it is subtracting. That is why you said subtract, right? So you are basically subtracting it, but you should show the negative direction also, right? कभी कभी बेसमेंट में देखा है ना, you have basement parking होता है कि नहीं अपने अपने
-1, -2.
Office में.
right? So you have -2, तो -2 कैसे होगा? They clear 0 as a base, correct? You take a 0 as a base floor, and then if you go below that, you say -1, -2. Clear hai? So what she says -1, -2. -1, -2 shows you the negative side, which is I'm going down. Clear hai? Understood everybody? What negative numbers? So whenever you have negative numbers, so if you are subtracting, all the negative
Yes.
numbers, you can add them. How much total spending you have done, right? Suppose you take 100 rupees ice cream, 200 rupees coffee, okay, 50 rupees of burger, okay. So how much you spend? You -100, -200, -50, right? All are subtracting, right? But then what you said, because you spend, all are spending, you have to add them. 100, 200 and 50. But since you're spending, you say -350. Clear?
Yes,
आ गया? And what to make it very simple, what I tell you, all the pluses are boys, all the minuses are girl, correct? So क्या होगा? When you have this number, instead of putting a number line, what do? You count the number of boys, you count the number of girls, और बाद में दोनों को एक ग्रुप बनाओ boys का, एक ग्रुप बनाओ girls का, and then you see who are more. Correct? Want to do this? एक दो लाइन सॉल्व करना है.
Okay.
विधि समझ में आ गया बेटा? How to add or subtract? You cannot add
yes, sir.
boys to girls, right? Just everybody
Yes.
go to school. मॉल, थिएटर में जाते हो, movie में जाते हो, थिएटर में जाते हो, मॉल्स में जाते हो, ठीक है, एवरीवेयर यू गो, राइट? You have seen the washroom?
Yes.
Yes.
क्या होता है?
Gents
Boys का
and
वॉशरूम
ladies.
अलग, गर्ल्स का वॉशरूम अलग होता है ना?
Yes. This is the gents and ladies अलग का wash.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. तो मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स अलग, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स अलग, जेंट्स एंड लेडीज अलग, तुम जो हिसाब से बोल दो, करेक्ट है? तो यहाँ पर भी क्या होता है, थिएटर में जब बैठोगे, मैं आई विल टेल यू वन स्टोरी. जब मैं इंटीजर सिखाऊंगा ना तुमको, आई विल टीच यू इंटीजर, तब मैं उसको स्टोरी बताऊंगा, राइट? ठीक है, ये देख अद्विका, करेक्ट. So when you have this thing, now it can be, number can be any big number or small number, doesn't matter, right? You have to see, okay. You see, there can be a 1 year old boy, yes or no?
Yes.
1 year old girl भी हो सकती है.
Yes.
Yes. You can have 15 years of boy, 15 years of girl.
Yes.
You have 20 years of boy, 20 years of girls, 59 years of boys, 59 years of man, 59 years of girl, lady. हो सकती है, नहीं हो सकती है? हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है?
Yes.
करेक्ट.
Yes.
नंबर का क्वांटम है वो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, राइट? व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट? यू हैव टू सी द साइन बिहाइंड इट, राइट? बिफोर दिस उसका साइन कहां पर है, राइट? क्लियर? जैसे एग्जांपल -8. Now I'm telling you, I'm doing all this negative. You will never see the question like this. You will never get in this thing. But I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I'm doing -4 + 5 + 7 -3 + 9 +7. Okay, -3. Okay, I'm just doing a lot of this thing. +2 -10. Correct? अभी क्या हो गया सारे. नाउ इट इज, सपोज यू वांट टू डू इट, इट इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. यस, ऑनेस्टली बताओ, ये डिफिकल्ट है करना?
No.
वेरी गुड. कौन बोला नो? कौन बोला नो? अरे बराबर है. कौन बोला नो? आई एम हैप्पी, वेरी हैप्पी. बताओ कौन बोला नो?
Me. Vidhi.
विधि. अरे विधि, वेरी गुड. मेरा आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
It's not
चलो
hard.
विधि बताओ कैसे सॉल्व करोगे. टेल मी हाउ विल यू सॉल्व. विधि,
First, I will take the +1 means boys one. So
वेरी गुड.
uh,
बॉयज,
it will be 5.
नहीं, बॉयज करो, फिर क्या करो? बॉयज पहले सेग्रीगेट करो, राइट? बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स को, राइट?
Yeah.
सो बॉयज कहाँ पे आएगा? 5,
5, 7, 9,
बात
7 again.
साइन
and
बोलते हैं, राइट? ये हो गया बॉयज. गर्ल्स,
सर वो जैसे गॉट जस्ट डिस्कनेक्ट, तो
हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. इट इज एनी विच आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग इट, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Girls will be 8,
हाँ, इट इज नॉट 8, इट इज -8.
-8, -4, -3, minus again 3, and then -10.
Okay. Now, girls will be represented only with a minus number, right? And boys will represent with plus number, right? So plus, if you write, you don't write, it is okay. But girls के लिए important है, right? ये correct?
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे what do you now add? Can you add this? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you do? 7 2s are 14. 5 plus
14.
9, 14, 28. This will become 30, right?
Yes.
Correct? Now here, what do you have? Because it is minus, all are minus, doesn't matter, right? What do you do? This is 12.
We have to add it so
12
it
plus
will
3. Count the number of girls. 15. 15 plus 3.
18,
18 plus 10.
28.
Correct? So
Yes.
now you count the number of boys. You count the number of girls. You get
Yes.
what? 30 minus 28. Answer is 2.
Two.
Correct?
Yes.
Suppose if I add one more number here, more 5 girls, right? If I add more 5, what will happen? This will become what? Minus 33, right? So what is it? 30 minus 33. Now what is the answer?
Minus 3.
सही जवाब. Very good. किससे बताया ये? Who said minus 3?
Me.
Who? Me कौन बेटा?
Vidhi.
Very nice बेटा. समझ में आया क्यों? क्योंकि 30 boys, 33 girls. आंसर क्या आएगा?
Minus
3 girls. Correct?
Sir,
हाँ.
I was going to answer this, but I didn't think you heard me.
अरे no problem darling. ठीक है. No problem. समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes.
Am I going to give any medal here?
No.
नहीं ना? What is important? You should understand, right?
Yeah.
Correct है. चलो. Clear है बेटा? विधि?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा लगा? मजा आया?
Yes.
Now you understand पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नंबर कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं?
Yes,
एक
sir.
बड़ा टॉपिक कवर कर दिया मैंने आज. मालूम है तुमको? विद इन 10. हाँ, बड़ा टॉपिक इंटीजर वगैरह कवर हो गया. इंटीजर की बाद में स्टोरी सुनाऊंगा अलग से. ठीक है?
Sir, what topic was this?
इंटीजर, नेगेटिव नंबर इंटीजर्स, राइट? बट आई विल टेक इट अनदर वन. फर्स्ट हम लोग जो 1 to 4 है, विल टेक दैट, विल फिनिश दैट, सो वी गो इन अ सिस्टमेटिक वे, सो वी डोंट मिस एनीथिंग, राइट? चलो. सो इट इज 1, दिस इज डन. क्लियर? सो नाउ कैन यू ऐड दिस, सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस, यस और नो?
Yes.
वेरी इजीली.
Yes.
ठीक है. मेंटली कैसे किया समझ में आया?
Yes.
बाकी का कर लेना. ठीक है? मैं उसका आंसर चेक करूंगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम पे तुम लोग आंसर बताना मेरे को कि आंसर विल चेक इट आफ्टर दिस ऑल 4 चैप्टर आर डन. We'll again revise because there's a huge one after this. Now, can you see this? Can you multiply this? Anybody can multiply this?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
I
एक
can.
मिनट,
Yes,
मैं
sir.
एक सेकंड मैं एक नंबर लेता हूँ. ठीक है? 8200 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 20. अच्छा 2 तो नहीं लेता हूँ मैं. ठीक है? मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10000. इसका आंसर कोई बताएगा क्या आएगा?
Vivan.
May I use
बता
the
विवान.
washroom?
विवान बता.
Sir, may I use the washroom?
यस बेटा. विवान बता.
So the answer will be 0. You're doing everything with 0. It will be 0.
बेटा मेरे को फाइनल आंसर चाहिए. कैन यू गिव मी आंसर इन वन शॉट?
Sir, can you sit down?
अरे मेरी जान रुक जा, उसको बोलने तो दे, उसको मना तो करने दे कि सर नहीं आता है मेरे को, उसके बाद तू बोलना. हाँ विवान बोल. कैन यू गिव आंसर इन वन गो?
Sir, I can.
विवान आई एम आस्किंग विवान.
Okay.
विवान यस और नो?
No.
आई डोंट नो नंबर नेम.
No.
छोड़ दो, खाली बोलो 5 2 7 8 9 0 5 7 ऐसे बोल सकते हो मेरे को.
Okay.
विवान.
8,
8.
2, 0, 0, 0.
हो गया.
Yes.
आंसर ये फाइनल आंसर है.
Yes.
वेरी गुड. तो ये 10,000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसका कोई मतलब नहीं. सेम आंसर रहा.
Sir, Rushit knows. Oh,
हाँ
sir.
बोल निश्चित बोल.
Sir, you also had 2 zeros.
हाँ
Would also add the 4 zeros in thousand.
Very good. Correct.
So
One.
that means it's 82 lakhs. I mean, sorry, crores.
अरे क्यों कर रहे करोड़ में लाख में क्यों जा रहे हो यार? It is not important, right? You should know how many zeros will come. मैं नंबर ने पूछा है क्या
82
तुमको?
and 7 zeros.
Correct. 8, 2 and 7 zeros खत्म हो गया.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
करोड़ में जा रहे हैं, लाख में जा रहा है, thousands of करोड़ में जा रहा है. अपने को क्या करने का है? You understand or no?
Yes.
Correct. So when you multiply by 10, it multiplies 10 times. Correct? उसका place value 10 times से बढ़ जाता है, right? So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? This will be 28.
7. 2870.
Correct. 2870. Correct? फिर यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
4900.
Correct. समझ में आया? Correct?
Sir, last two are difficult.
Sir, can I please?
अरे कोई difficult नहीं है उसमें. चलो.
I know.
Can answer?
Next.
9250.
Sir, can I answer this?
एक करो ना. यार see तुम लोग का आंसर.
1000.
If you are understanding बेटा, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Sir,
right?
I'm understanding.
जब डिफिकल्ट पूछूंगा तब कोई आंसर नहीं करेगा मेरे को. ठीक है? मैंने आज से डिफिकल्ट वन, तब सब चुप हो जाएंगे. सबकी नानी डर जाएगी, राइट? बाद में सबको नानी याद आएगी, तब सारे से चुप हो जाएंगे जब डिफिकल्ट वाला पूछूंगा. करेक्ट. चलो नेक्स्ट वाला किसको करना है? ये वाला
Sir,
बताओ.
can I do it?
एक मिनट.
Wants to do.
जो हाथ रेस करेगा उसको पूछूंगा. चलो हाथ रेस है किसी का. चलो अद्विका पहले. अद्विका चलो फटाफट. अद्विका क्या हो गया? निकल गया? हवा फाइट होगी. ओके आद्या बोल बेटा.
First we will do 28 threes are. That is
व्हाट इज 28 3 कितना आएगा?
1 minute.
1 मिनट सोचना पड़ेगा ना.
You can it as 84. 84. And we will put 2 zeros.
Very good. चलो नेक्स्ट वाला ऋषित.
Sir, he already answered.
Sir,
अरे
can I?
हाथ ऊपर करो सबको. आद्या हाथ नीचे कर दे. हाथ नीचे कर दे. एवरीबडी विल गेट चांस. डोंट वरी. बहुत करना है.
Sir, 9500.
9500. करेक्ट. चलो नेक्स्ट.
Sir, can I try?
अरे सबका नंबर आएगा बेटा. यू हैव रेज योर हैंड. डोंट वरी. यू विल गेट ऋषित योर हैंड डाउन. ओके चलो वेरी गुड. अब बताओ 5 7.
Sir, you did not understand this one.
अरे बराबर तो करा रहा हूँ ना अभी, राइट? चलो
We will.
इसका आंसर बेटा.
We will for
इसका आंसर.
9 multiplied by 37.
It is 537 multiplied by 9 है बेटा.
Sir, I understood this, but I did not understand these questions.
अरे
Like,
शांति रख ऋषित. शांति रख. ठीक है चलो. I'll show you some Vedic trick. Okay, let me show you some Vedic trick. Now you normally you do it, right? How you want to multiply, you do it, right? 5 3 7 multiplied by 9, right? What do you 9 7s are 63, and then you take 6 common, 6 carry over, 27 and 3 33. You take 3 40 and
48.
correct.
Sir,
Now I'll show you something with a Vedic trick. 5 3 7 multiplied by 9. Okay, I'm going the other way around, right? I don't do carry over nothing. 9 5s are 45. Then 9 3s are 27. 9 7s are 63. Okay. Up now what you do is you don't have to remember anything. You just do a addition here. Just put one sign here and add the number just before and after the plus sign, right? So you get
sir,
what?
can I take water?
3 here. This is what? 7 and 6. 3. 1 carry over. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 and 4 will become 4. What is the answer? Same answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Now I am going to teach you this one, right? Let me see this one. Multiplication, right? 73. अच्छा, you have to show all the working, huh? Whenever you are solving this, you have to show the working, right?
Sir, can I do?
73 multiplied by 37. No, I'm explaining you. Nobody will speak, right? Now what you do? You do multiply by this. Acha, can anybody tell me what is the multiplication means? What a number you are multiplying with what? What number you are?
Multiplicand.
No. I'm saying what number you are multiplying with what? It is not multiplicand or multiplier or nothing like this. I just want currently in this number, what are you multiplying with what?
73 with 37.
Sorry?
73 with 37.
वेरी गुड. तो तुम क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे? 70 plus 3 multiply by 30 plus 7. Right? Correct है? Yes
Yes.
or no? So what are you multiplying here? You are multiplying is 7 3s are
21.
21.
Right.
21. Right? So I'm writing 21. I'm writing sub separately, right? I'm writing everything separately to make you understand what exactly I'm doing. Now what I'm multiplying, so this is first multiplication. What is second multiplication? I'm multiplying this with this, right? So what are you multiplying?
So,
What are you multiplying? What are you multiplying here? 7, 7. What are you multiplying?
49. 7 multiplied by 7.
What are you multiplying? Sorry?
7 multiplied by 7.
Galat answer. What are you multiplying?
0 multiplied by 7.
No. The
7
whole number, beta, 0 नहीं लेना है. The whole number you will take.
70 multiplied by 7.
Correct. 70 multiplied by 7 will be how much?
490.
490.
ठीक है. Then what you multiply?
Multiplied by 3.
Wait, बेटा, wait. ये हो गया 7 का multiply. अभी 30 का multiply. 30 इसके साथ क्या आएगा?
90.
90.
No, 900.
And
Yeah.
what will be this?
200.
0.
आंसर क्या आया? 1 0 6 2. करेक्ट है?
Yes.
Now we'll see normal method. You understood how I am doing this, right? I expanded form मैंने multiply किया, right? Now we'll see multiplication, right?
9. Sir, sir, but in the second one you did 1 plus 0 is 0, 1. But then you did 2 plus 9. Well, then you did 9 plus 9 plus 2 is 20. But I did 10 here.
ठीक है अभी? 2 कैरी ओवर आएगा ना बेटा?
Sir, but that should be 20.
हाँ तो 21 और 22 कैरी ओवर लिया ना मैंने यहाँ पे, right?
Oh.
So then I added, right? चलो. Now we do normal how we do it in the school, right? So what do you multiply by 7 or I multiply by 3 first? What do you multiply? You multiply by 7 first or you multiply by 3 first?
7.
Huh? 7.
I multiply by 7.
ठीक है. 7 3s are 21. You get a 2 carry over, right? Now you get what? 7 7s are 49 plus 2 51, right?
Yes.
Now because it is not 51, it is 510, but it is already 0 1 here, so you say 5 and you get a 5 carry over, right? Now
Yes.
you what do?
3 multiplied by 3.
So when you multiply this, what do you do? It is 51, right? Now you need to do 3. It is not your multiplying by 3. What are you multiplying? You are multiplying by 30. So you cross this. Because of 7, I'm making this cross. Or I paid a 0 here, right? Because you are multiplying by 3. That is why we are adding 1 0 there, right?
Yes.
So 33 is a
33
90.
is 90.
Very good. No carry over. And 7 3 is a 7 3 is a what? 21. And you have 2 zeros here. The 1 2's place is already there. समझ में आया?
हाँ.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? ये क्यों आंसर गलत आ रहा है अपना? Why I am getting गलत? अच्छा हाँ, ये तो मैंने कैरी ओवर किया था ना यहाँ पे. Sorry. Why answer? There is something wrong we have done. 1 0 1 7 ये आना चाहिए, राइट? तो यहाँ पे क्यों गड़बड़ हो गया अपना?
Sir, I told you the answer.
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ हाँ, सॉरी सॉरी, यस यस यस।
You did 10, then you did 20.
अरे अरे अरे, मैंने, अच्छा अच्छा, ये कैरी ओवर 20 होना चाहिए था, राइट, सॉरी
I told you 10.
सॉरी, नहीं समझ में आया डार्लिंग, मेरे को गलती हो गई, माफ कर दे डार्लिंग, सॉरी। और एक बार बोलूं सॉरी? ठीक है, चलो, क्लियर, अंडरस्टूड वेरी क्लियरली, yes or no, correct? So in whichever way you go, I told you how to expanded form will work, right? Correct?
Yes.
So you have to do this way, multiplication, right? Either you do 3 digit by 3 digit, 3 digit by 2 digit. This is how you have to do it. Clear? Because it will keep on going, the increase in the place value. This is nothing but a C, 70, we got 2100, right? अगर तुम अलग अलग देखोगे, you will come to know how it is coming, right? Clear? This is 2100, this is 90, this is 21 plus 4490, right? If you see this, if you add this, you will get 511. Okay, if you add this, you will get 2190, right? It is same thing what you are getting here, right? Understood?
Yeah.
So when you multiply, it is not 7 multiplied by 7, it is 70 multiplied by 7. It is not 7 multiplied by 3, it is 70 multiplied by 30. Clear?
Yes.
Now, Vidhi, clear hai beta ye wala? Everybody is clear with this multiplication, how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. ठीक है, and you have to show the working, proper working, right?
Sir,
Now money, okay, now I want only the operation. Okay, those who wants to answer, they can raise your hand. Okay, Mishka. Okay, next is yours. A man says 78 rupees per month. How much will a dozen bells cost? One bell, अच्छा सॉरी मैंने मिक्स कर दिया, ऊपर नीचे घुस गया मैं, सॉरी। फर्स्ट आधा मैंने फर्स्ट का पढ़ा, सेकंड मैंने सेकंड का पढ़ा। A man saves 78 rupees per month. How much he will save in 4 years?
Sir, can I say?
Yes, tell me.
I think we have to multiply.
What do you do to multiply?
78 by 4.
गलत जवाब, गलत जवाब। Yes, Advika, tell me.
And
sir,
एक मिनट, सब लोग हाथ ऊपर करो। I will ask according to your raised hand. Mishka, hands down. Advika, tell me.
Sir, I didn't.
You have to hands down and then you can get another one. Advika, tell me. If
Sir,
you have to
can
write
I go to
अच्छा, एक मिनट,
washroom?
Advai, Russia, Vivan, raise your hand. You compulsorily have to raise your hand. Yes, even if you don't know to answer, you don't know the answer, still you have to raise your hand. You say when your number comes, you say I don't know. Raise your hand. Keep your hands up. Right?
Sir, I wanted to go to the
yes.
Vivan, raise hand kar. Vivan. Vivan,
Yes.
raise your hand.
Sir, I don't know how to do that.
बेटा तुम्हारे यहाँ पे रिएक्शन होगा, चेक करो।
किधर?
उसका रिएक्शन होगा। तू आईपैड पे किस पे है?
लैपटॉप।
लैपटॉप पे, तो लैपटॉप में नीचे होगा ना, ये जूम का लिंक होगा ना। जूम तूने वेब से ज्वाइन किया, किससे ज्वाइन किया? ऐप डाउनलोड किया है?
जूम से सर, जूम से।
नहीं, जूम से मतलब ऐप से डाउनलोड किया है या वेब से ज्वाइन किया है?
सर मैंने।
हो गया ना, चल वेरी गुड, आ गया।
हाँ।
वेरी गुड, मिल गया ना। ढूंढने में भगवान मिलता है बेटा, हैंड रेज नहीं मिलेगा क्या? ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट, अद्विका, टेल मी।
Sir, I wanted to go to the washroom.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है। यू डोंट नो द आंसर?
I haven't
हैंड्स
calculated
डाउन
it.
कर, चल हैंड्स डाउन कर, वॉशरूम जाके आ जा। चलो आद्या, टेल मी।
Sir, first we will multiply.
हाँ, मेरे को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, सिंपल बताओ। आई वांट अ फाइनल मल्टीप्लाई, उसके बाद पूछूंगा कैसे। हाँ, हेलो, बैकग्राउंड नॉइज बंद करो। विधि, वेट विधि, तेरा नंबर आएगा। यू सी द, तुम लोग लाइन देखो, तुम्हारा बिल्कुल नंबर में आएगा। When you raise your hand,
according to your raise hand. Mishka, hands down. Advika, tell me.
Sir,
You have to hands down and then you can get another one. Advika, tell me.
I can't hear you clearly.
Advai, Russia, Ivan, raise your hand. You are compulsory need to raise your hand.
ये कौन कर रहा है?
Yes, even if you don't know the answer, you don't know the answer, still you have to raise your hand. You say when your number comes, you say I don't know. Raise your hand. Keep your hand.
विधि, ये क्या हो रहा है बेटा? कौन रिकॉर्डिंग चला रहा है? Vidhi, keep your mic on now.
Yes. Raise your hand. आपको बोला है।
ये क्यों इतना एको आ रहा है?
रिएक्शन होगा, चेक करो। किधर? उसका रिएक्शन होगा। तू टाइपेड का किसका है?
Sir, somebody is doing
One minute. विधि, ये किससे रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं? कौन चला रहा है बेटा विधि? There is continuous background noise coming. Vidhi, there is a playback happening.
Sir,
हो गया
I'm
ना?
confused
आ
of
गया?
who's talking.
मिल गया ना? देवे को फोन मिल गया ना? एड्रेस
Vidhi,
ओके चलो नेक्स्ट
I can't hear you.
Sir, who is doing this?
You don't know the answer?
I can't hear you बेटा.
विधि
तो लॉग ऑफ कर, लॉग इन कर वापस. Log off and log in again.
किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे सिंपल होगा.
There's somebody is recording and is replaying. It is recording and is replaying. Okay. Yeah. Adya,
Sir, we will multiply 78 by 12 and then
नहीं. एक simple. एक multiplication, not two.
Sir, I can't see the screen.
I know बेटा. Adya, only one multiplication I want.
So we can do 78 multiplied by 48.
Very good. अब जब मैं पूछूं why 48? तब तो
Because-
question करो, right? 78 तो I can see here, right?
Yes.
48 I cannot see.
Yes.
Why you are already using 48? What Adya says, everybody pay attention here, right? Mishka, you also pay attention here, quickly. What Adya says, 78 multiplied by 48. I am asking 78 I can see. Why I am 48? Why 48?
It's the numbers of the month.
Beta, 1 minute, only Adya will speak. I don't want anybody to answer in between. I am giving everybody a chance. I don't want any cross answering. Don't make it a fish market. Yes.
I multiply 12 by 4 because
You.
there are 12 months in a year.
Correct. So this is, it is saving per month. So in a 12 month, he will save 78 multiplied by 12, and this is per year. Whatever answer you get 1, and then multiply by 4. So what you can do is either you multiply by this first, and then multiply. Clear?
Yes.
Is everybody clear?
Yes.
So it is not important that you just use the number. Mishka, is it clear?
Yes.
You should read the question properly, right? What they ask you, right? Chalo. One bale of cotton cost rupees 789. How much will 1 dozen bale will cost? Okay. Wait, let me see who is hand raised in a order. Adya, तेरा answer कर दिया? Hand down कर. Adya, mic on करो, hand down. Yeah, Rishit. अच्छा, don't raise unless you answer. Don't lower your hand, because when you again raise the hand, it will go to end. Clear hai? So keep your hand raised. Vidhi is not answered. Vivan is not answered. Vivan, why didn't you put your hand down? Why did you put your hand down? Vivan,
Yes.
why did you put your hand down?
Sorry, sir.
Keep it on. Unless you answer, keep it on. Vidhi, keep your hands up. Hands on. Those who answered, yeah, very good. Chalo. Now, unless you answer, don't lower your hand. Yeah. Rishit,
Sir,
Sir,
doubt.
sorry?
Sir, Vivan has got a doubt.
What
Because-
doubt, beta?
Sir, I don't understand how you, I don't understand how you multiplied the 3-digit number with the 2-digit one.
Okay, chalo, I'll tell you this. First, let me understand this. This is will solve here. Chalo. Okay. Yeah, Rishi, tell me.
first we do 789 into 12
Q?
because 1 dozen is equal to 12.
Very good, correct. Right? So which is 7, 8, 9 multiplied by 12. Correct?
Correct.
Now see, I am multiplying. So what I do, I ignore this first. I multiply this by 2 first, right? Correct? So what you did? 9 2s are 18. 1 carry over. You multiply these 2 with all three number, right? So 8 to the 16 plus 1 17. 1 carry over. It is say 14 plus 1 15. Is done. Now because it is multiplying by 10, you put this as a cross or a 0 here, right? You are not multiplying by 10. You say 9, 8, 7. Clear? विहान समझ में आया बेटा?
नहीं समझ में नहीं आया।
पहले मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया सबको,
हाँ।
करेक्ट? So what I do? 7, 18, 9 multiply by 2. You get 1, 5, 7, 8, right?
Yes.
फिर मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया 7, 18, 9 multiply by 10. क्या हो गया? 7, 8, 9, 0. Correct? So I
Yes.
multiply this by 10 and then multiply by 2. Correct? That is what exactly multiply by 12, right?
Yes.
Correct? So what you get when you add is 8, 1, 14, 1, 9. This is your answer. Clear? So what I did, I multiplied this by first 9 to the 18. You have one number here, one carry over. Then you have 8 to the 16 plus 1 17. You get one carry over here. Then the 7 to the 14 plus 1 15. Clear, beta?
Yes.
Now when you have to take 1, it is not 1, it is 10 actually, right? So you put the 0 in advance because when you multiply by 10, 1. 1 9 is 9. 9, 8 1 is 8. 7 1 is 7. हो गया? Once it is done, add them. Clear? This is multiplied by 2 and this is multiplied by 10. And add them. You will get the same answer. See, 8, 6, 4, 9. Same answer. Clear? हम समझ में आ गया? You are...
Sir,
Yes.
एक second. Let me finish with the Vivan first.
Yes.
Vivan understood, beta?
Yes.
Very good. आप किसका डाउट है ये बताओ?
Adva has a doubt.
What doubt?
Sir, I still don't understand. Like, in this, when you said dozen, then how does it become 12? Like, I forgot.
1 dozen, like suppose when you say couple, okay, there is a word. Okay.
Yeah.
When you say couple means what?
Couple is a family with
नहीं, फैमिली कैसे हो गया? कपल मतलब फैमिली, तो फैमिली का मतलब क्या होता है?
couple.
Couple means two, right? When you say pair of shoe, okay.
Yeah.
When you say bring my shoe or pair of my shoe, तो क्या हो गया? Always there are two, right? Pair मतलब क्या होता है? Two, right?
हाँ.
When you're triplet, what does a triplet means?
3,
Correct. When you're twin, what do you mean by twin?
2 things.
Very good. अपने को बोलना पड़ता है. When I say I have twin children, so it is two brother or sister or any two children born at the same time from the same mother, right?
Yeah.
That is called a twin. Okay, you have bicycle. What does bicycle mean?
Bicycle.
Bi means it is two wheels, right? When you tricycle,
Three wheels.
3 wheels. You have triangle?
Huh?
Triangle.
No.
What is triangle?
Corners.
Triangle is 3 sides
Fine.
and 3. Similarly, you have dozen. What dozen mean?
Dozen.
Dozen is 12.
Yeah.
Right? Then you have score. Then you have something. So every word has certain measuring criteria, right? When you have, suppose quintal. What is quintal means?
What is 100? 100 kgs?
100 kgs. Correct. Okay. When you have century, what does century means?
100.
100.
100
When
years.
you have decade, what does decade means?
10.
10.
सब आता है ना?
Millennium.
1000.
1000.
1000. Yeah, but in the last sum also, like.
Achha, when you have 1 year, what does it mean? 1 year means what? 12 months? 365
days.
Correct?
12 months.
And the leap year has
366
366
days. मेरे
days.
को मालूम था कोई ना कोई बोलेगा. ठीक है, चलो.
Last year.
समझ में आ गया बेटा? अद्वै, have you got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
चलो, very good. चलो, ये हो गया सब multiplication. Okay. So now, if you have any specific doubt, you ask me. Correct? Vidhi, you have any doubt, beta? More? Vidhi,
Yeah, sir.
tell me which doubt you have.
34.
34. Work out the following division sums and find the quotient and the remainder. Very good. तो problem क्या है इसमें? You don't know how to divide?
No.
Mentally? No, right? Chalo,
No.
you tell me which one you want me to do.
The last one.
ये वाला?
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो. So what I'm doing? 4,000 divided by 6, correct? Yeah. So what you need to do, check the number unless you get a number bigger than 6, right? So 4 is smaller than this, right?
Yes.
तो नहीं
So we
आएगा,
will see.
0 हो गया, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या लेगा? Then we'll take 40, correct?
Yeah.
6 के टेबल में 40 आता है?
No.
ये आता है, तो क्या आएगा?
The nearest number will be 6.
7.
6?
No, 7.
42. No, not 42.
40. Sir, do we have to take the bigger number or smaller number of it?
चलो, तेरे पास 40 chocolates है, right?
Yes.
If you want to give it something to some chocolate to me, so can you give more than 40 when you have 40 chocolates?
No, never.
लॉजिकल है ना बेटा? तो कितना देगी?
Yes.
40 से कम ही दे सकती है, राइट? करेक्ट. तो विच नंबर कम्स? कोई बोलेगा
Yes.
बीच में, ओनली विधि विल स्टार्ट, राइट? विच नंबर विल कम बिफोर दिस? 6 के टेबल में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर आता है जो 40 से कम है? जस्ट 40 से कम है.
6, 4,
हाँ,
6 are 36.
वेरी गुड. 6 6 जा
6
36.
6 are 36.
वेरी गुड. 4 अगेन 40 आया.
36.
6 6 जा 36. अगेन 4 आया.
6 are 36.
करेक्ट.
Yeah.
तो ये क्या आया? क्वोशिएंट इज इक्वल टू 6 6 6 एंड रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू 4. हो गया, खत्म.
Sir, but I did not understand why did you put a 0 at the first?
Because 4 is less than 6, right? You cannot divide, right?
Sir, but why can't we first only do 6 6 are 36?
Correct. You लेंगे, but मैं ये 0 पे नहीं दिखाना चाहता था. रीजन है, right? मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ, right? There is a reason I showed you this 0. Wait. Let me show you this number, right? 9917, correct?
Yes. Yes.
ऋषि डिवाइड कर अभी.
9 1 9.
9 1 9. 0. You get 9 down. 9 1 again 9. Put 0. Take this 1 down.
Yes.
अब क्या हो रहा है?
9 0 are 0.
आया ना, 0 रखा ना ये,
Yes.
क्योंकि 1 छोटा है, राइट?
Yes.
समझा? और फिर यहाँ पे 7 ले सकते हैं. 0 रखने के बाद ही 7 लगता है. 0 नहीं लिखेगा तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. 9 1 9 again, right? This is 8. So what is the quotient? 1 1 0 1 and remainder is 8. ठीक है?
Okay.
क्लियर? अभी समझा 0 क्यों रखा था मैंने?
Yes.
पक्का?
Smaller number.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Very
So I still not understood.
Who बेटा?
Vidhi.
What have not understood बेटा?
Like after means in this question 9917 in that then after you did 9 minus 9 after that I didn't understood.
So 9 minus 9. Then you take it below, right? This is 9 minus 9. This is done. This is gone. Now after this, you take this down, right?
Yes.
So again, you get a 9 here.
Yes.
9 1 9 again.
Yes.
Then you got a 0. You take down 1 down, right? Now which
Yes.
is smaller than 9, right? You cannot divide. 1 divided by 9, you just cannot do. So you 9 zeros are 9. You have to put number 0 right here.
Yes.
So 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So I am not changing it. It will not change. I taken 7 down here, right?
Yes.
Now it has become 17, which is greater than 9.
Yes.
I can do 9 ones are 9 again, and this is 8. Now this is 8 is a smaller number, but there is nothing here, so I cannot take anything down here, right? So this is
Yes.
end of the division. Clear?
Okay.
Suppose if I tell you, you have 37 mangoes, right? Or 37 apple. Mango बहुत हो गया, sugar ही हो जाएगा, right? We'll take apple. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Yes.
And you have say 9 friends to give
Yes.
equally, right? Equal apples. So how many apples you will get? You have to do 1 apple, right? So you give 1 apple, 1 apple, correct? So it
Each,
takes a lot
yes.
of time, right? You should know, correct? So what do you do?
Yes.
37 you want to equally divide into 9 friends, right?
Yes. So,
Can I do this? 9 के टेबल में 37 आता है?
no, so we will take 37 full. So the in 9's table 37 is not there.
Not there. So what is there?
So the near will be 4s are 36.
सही
So
जवाब. मुर्दा
we will write 4 at
36.
up and minus 36.
Okay.
The
Clear?
answer 1.
Sir,
1 is
So
not answer. You distribute
yeah.
4, 9 friends. You get 4 apples each. And then 1 will be remained with you, right?
Yes.
तू खा जा उसको, भूख लगेगी तो, right? ठीक है, तेरे को जब भूख
Yes.
लगे तो ये एप्पल खा लेना,
Yes.
ठीक है? और बताना मेरे को स्वीट था क्या नहीं था,
हम्म.
ठीक है? समझ में आया?
Okay.
Now you know
Yeah.
how to divide, बेटा?
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो. So now 7 persons together plan a picnic. If they collected 4, 1, 5, 8 in all, how much was contributed by each of person, right? So 4
Yes.
by 8 divide by 7 करना पड़ेगा. Clear है? So you know how to divide that, right? Clear?
Mhm.
Divide
Yeah.
करके देखो. नहीं आएगा तो वापस भेजो. Now next time whenever you send me the doubt, what you should send me? You will send me the photograph of it, right?
Okay.
सर मैंने ये सॉल्व किया है, करेक्ट है कि नहीं है? करेक्ट है? चलो नेक्स्ट. व्हाट इज
Okay.
डाउट? व्हाट इज डाउट?
The 40.
40.
40.
ये क्या प्रॉब्लम है? रुपये को रुपये में ऐड करो, पैसे को पैसे में ऐड करो. 65 रुपीज 85 पैसा, देन यू 19 रुपीज 20 पैसा, राइट? तो यहाँ पे ऐड करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 105, एंड व्हेन यू ऐड दिस इट विल बिकम 84, राइट? बट कैन यू 105 पैसा? यू नो कन्वर्जन, रुपये पैसे का कन्वर्जन. 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa?
Oh yeah.
100 paisa, right? So take 100 as 1 rupee here
No.
and minus 100. So it will give 85 rupees and 5
100.
paisa. That is answer. हो गया. This is beta, all the revisions are there. Suppose if you don't know any concept, currency या rupee या this thing, पैसे का या लेंथ, मास, कैपेसिटी, ओके, इफ यू डोंट नो दिस मीटर सेंटीमीटर, तो उसको फिर छोड़ दो बेटा राइट नाउ के लिए, राइट? देन आई विल टेक अ लेंथ, मास, कैपेसिटी लेटर ऑन. ये रिवीजन है. दिस कंसेप्ट यू शुड नो फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, राइट? बट अगर नहीं आ रहा तो जब लेंथ, मास, कैपेसिटी में लूंगा तब स्टार्टिंग से लूंगा. क्लियर है बेटा?
Yes.
ठीक है. सो यू नो
Okay.
1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर्स? विधि,
100. Yes.
you know how
100.
100.
100, sir.
Okay. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters?
100.
कौन बोल रहा है ये?
Vidhi.
गलत. 1000, right? 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter?
100
10
10.
करेक्ट. सो ये कन्वर्जन तुमको बेटा मालूम होना चाहिए. लीटर टू किलोमीटर, किलोलीटर टू मिलीलीटर, ओके, सेंटीमीटर टू मीटर, ये सारी चीज तुमको मालूम होनी चाहिए. राइट. ठीक है. बट वो नहीं
Yes.
आएगा तो लेंथ मास कैपेसिटी जब लूंगा तब कराऊंगा. राइट. नेक्स्ट.
So next, I don't know I forgot to say the 39 one. I don't know 39.
Shade a part whose representation given in a fraction. What is fraction now?
Sir, 39.
39. हाँ.
Yes.
ओके. अच्छा मेरे को बता. ओके, I'll give you this. Okay, you have 20 apples.
Okay.
Okay, उसमें से half apple, half of the apple you eat. तो कितना एप्पल खा जाएगी?
1/4.
1/4 कैसे? मैं बोला हाफ एप्पल तू खा जा. 20 एप्पल तेरे पास है
1/2.
तो कितना होगा?
1.
हेल्प नहीं बिल्कुल. अच्छा चल मैं थोड़ा और समझाता हूँ तेरे को. यू हैव 8 चॉकलेट्स, राइट? उसमें आधी तेरी आधी मेरी. हाफ योर हाफ माइन. तो क्या
Okay.
हाउ मच यू विल गेट, हाउ मच आई विल गेट?
1, 2.
अरे आई एम सेइंग 8 चॉकलेट्स.
You
हाफ इज
will
योर्स,
get half.
हाफ इज माइन. हाफ क्वांटिटी, हाफ चॉकलेट नहीं बोलो, हाफ क्वांटिटी. टोटल ऑफ 8 में से आधा तेरा आधा मेरा. हाफ इज योर्स हाफ इज माइन.
Sir, can Rasya go to the washroom?
या बेटा रेशे को keep the video on. हाँ.
Sir,
Yes.
या बेटा.
sir, can Lucid leave? I have my class.
अभी टाइम है 10 मिनट के लिए बेटा. और तेरा क्लास डिले करो. मम्मी को बोलो इतने सारे 10 क्लास मत लगा के रखो. मेरे टाइम के क्लास में.
Sir, 3 बजे है class.
हाँ.
3 बजे.
अच्छा कैन वी ओके लेट मी सी. कैन वी प्रीपोन दिस क्लास बाय हाफ एन आवर? 12:30 को हम रख सकते हैं क्लास?
Yes, sir.
12:30 इंडिया टाइम. 1
Yes,
o'clock की
sir.
जगह पे. चलो I'll ask.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please ask my parents. I don't know.
Sir,
Sorry?
if we keep it by 12, it's fine, sir. This
मैं 12 तो नहीं कर
it
सकता.
is not
12 I
suiting,
cannot do.
sir.
No, 12 I cannot do
Sir,
it.
ask my parents. I don't know.
Sir, it's 2:50.
Wait. Now see chapter 3 na, revision chapter, it has all the concept of grade 3 will be there. So something you may not have done in school or you may not have tried it. If you don't know multiplication, you don't know division, so you let it know. The one हम लोग कराएंगे. Do whatever you can do it. If you can't do it anything, leave it. ठीक है विधि?
Okay, sir.
एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन कर. तुम्हारा रोमन नंबर करो. जो सेकंड चैप्टर थर्ड फोर्थ है वो पहले करो. करेक्ट. अब 1 में जितना हो गया आज मैंने सिखाया उतना कर दो. आफ्टर दैट यू विल नॉट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. करेक्ट. अभी सब हो गया डाउट? स्टिल इफ यू हैव डाउट लेंथ मास कैपेसिटी में, दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू विल लीव राइट नाउ. ठीक है. दैट विल डू इट व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द लेंथ मास कैपेसिटी एट द एंड. राइट. जब उसका चैप्टर आएगा अपने पास. राइट. तो उस टाइम पे करेंगे. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
उतना शांति से छोड़ दो अभी.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Those who know they can do it. Those who don't know they can leave it right now. खाली एक लिख के रख दो कि सर लैंड मास कैपेसिटी का मैंने नहीं किया है कन्वर्जन का, और करेंसी का या रुपी का, या मेरे को नहीं आता है. दैट विल डू इट व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग दिस. राइट. अपना एक चैप्टर आएगा इसमें. राइट. हर एक का चैप्टर है. लेंथ का भी है, मास का है, टाइम का भी है. राइट. और करेंसी का भी है. यस.
Okay.
और किसका डाउट है? Yes, Rashia, you have doubt, beta? You are keeping the video also, mic also, video also. Rashia,
Yes, sir.
why are you keeping video and mic off?
That happened by mistake. I was trying to do something.
You should not keep mic and video off anytime. You don't have to touch. तेरा तो distance भी इतना है. You do get up and keep it, right? So keep it on all the time. कोई problem नहीं है.
Okay.
चलो विधि. और कोई डाउट है बेटा? मैं वापस ओपन करता हूँ. राइट. तो फ्रैक्शन के अंदर मैं फ्रैक्शन सिखाऊंगा तेरे को. सो हाफ करोगे ना, जैसे क्वांटिटी हाफ ऑफ द क्वांटिटी. राइट. सो 15 डिवाइड बाय 3 करना है. राइट. सो यू गेट 1/3 ऑफ द क्वांटिटी. सो जब मैं क्वांटिटी कराऊंगा, फ्रैक्शन कराऊंगा, उस टाइम पे सारा कराऊंगा. नाउ लेट मी शो यू यहाँ पे कौन सा चैप्टर। व्हेन यू हैव मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, ठीक है, देन यू हैव फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स, नंबर पैटर्न्स, एस्टिमेशन जो हमने राउंडिंग बोला है, ठीक है। अब फ्रैक्शन जब आएगा, देखो फ्रैक्शन है, डेसिमल है, उस टाइम पे सारी चीजें आएगी वापस, राइट।
Yes.
ठीक है, देन यू हैव मनी विच इज आई एम टेलिंग यू मनी, फिर आएगा लेंथ मास कैपेसिटी, ठीक है। देन यू हैव यूनिटरी मेथड
Sir, even
which is also part of this. Okay, geometry, perimeter, 3D shapes, symmetry, correct. Then time, calendar, pictograph.
Yes.
So ये सारी चीजें हैं यहाँ पे, राइट बेटा।
Yes.
टेंशन नहीं ले,
sir, do we have decimals?
सॉरी
Do we have decimals?
सॉरी, क्या बोल रहा है बेटा।
Do we have decimals?
डेसिमल है ना, ठीक है, डेसिमल है तो डेसिमल है, फ्रैक्शन भी है, सब कुछ है बेटा, ठीक है। सो आएगा सब कुछ पीछे आएगा, राइट। सो डिवीजन में कुछ कुछ टॉपिक नहीं लिखते, खाली लिख के छोड़ दो मेरे को, राइट विधि, ठीक है।
Okay, sir.
वेरी गुड, चलो अभी तेरा आवाज बराबर आ रहा है जाने के टाइम पे, ठीक है। चलो 1 मिनट विधि, तुम रुक जा, ठीक है, वेट।